countrymen, just to give you the current situation. I am about to land sa Hague. Galing ako Dubai, stopover for it's a long haul, it's a long flight. Okay ako, do not worry. And I think this is something to do with the law and order noon. At sinasabi ko naman sa mga pulis at military na trabaho kayo at